Yes. These are the videos from UCO Bank. UCO Bank videos. Yeah. Hello. Sumit Kumar. Hello, Sumit Kumar. Hello. Sumit Kumar, आपका आवाज 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. इधर. Yeah, it is okay only here. Speak, speak. आपको ऑडियो ऑफ है. ऑडियो को ऑन कर दीजिए. ऑडियो अनलॉक कर दो. हाँ, अभी सही है. अभी बात कीजिए. हेलो. हाँ. गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. आर एबल टू हियर मी? आपका यू आर एबल टू हियर मी? थोड़ा आवाज थोड़ा साउंड थोड़ा कम होता है. If necessary, keep it like this. Okay. Yeah, very good. Excellent. You are appearing for UCO Bank Specialist Officer interview. And now please listen to this song. Are you able to hear? Yeah, I will stop with this. I find it is a very lengthy video. It is there. From where did I get this? You tell me. Hello. Hello. From where did I get this video? आपका आवाज आता नहीं. Why it is not coming? Hello.
Hello, sir.
It is from which website?
Hello, yes, sir. I'm audible, sir.
It is from
UCO Bank, sir.
correct.
UCO
Very
Bank.
good. Very good. UCO Bank website. अच्छा, आपका आवाज थोड़ा कम आता है. Are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir. I'm able to hear you properly, sir.
Very good. Now speak like this only, so that your answers are well heard. Excellent.
Yes.
Now you have applied for UCO Bank Specialist Officer, Civil Engineer, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
When was this application submitted by you? कब submit किया आपने?
It's the 28th of October, sir.
28th of October last year.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You are a native of Uttar Pradesh or Bihar?
Uttar Pradesh.
You are a native of Uttar Pradesh. Which year did you complete your BE Civil Engineering or BTech Civil Engineering?
BTech Civil Engineering in 2019.
Only. That means you are a small boy. 2019 only you are completed.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
इसका बाद में did you join for some postgraduate?
No, sir. I have started self-study for government exams. 5-6 months I have done preparation, but after that, sir, COVID virus had hit the India, so the study was stopped as my family suffered due to it. But I regained my momentum and started preparation again. And sir, I prepared slowly, and then this opportunity came up for engineers in UCO Bank, and I prepared for it and gave it my best shot, sir.
Excellent.
And the result is that I'm
Ex
selected and waiting for the
Excellent.
interview, sir.
Excellent. How many people have been called for this interview?
Sir, there are 8 posts for civil engineering, so 16 candidates has been called.
Only 16.
Yes, sir.
That means 1:2 is the chance.
Yes, sir. Other
So,
candidate is my position.
yeah, you stand a very good chance, provided you take it up seriously. Good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
You उत्तर प्रदेश में कहाँ से आते हैं? गाजियाबाद ना क्या?
Yes, sir.
गाजियाबाद.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. अच्छा, आपका उत्तर प्रदेश में इलेक्शन कब होने वाला है? असेंबली
Sir,
का?
next year, February next year.
2022 February.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good, good, good. Very good. आपका पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
Sir, my father works in an insurance company
As?
as officer post, sir.
अच्छा, ये वो easy in LIC or some other company?
Sir, he's in insurance company, Oriental Insurance Company, sir.
Oh, Oriental Insurance. तब तो he must be officer. ये वो का ऊपर में होगा. Next grade manager
Yes.
होगा.
Yes, sir. It's a deputy manager to be precise, sir.
Exactly. Good, good, good. Oriental Insurance का head office किधर है?
The New Delhi, sir.
Oriental का insurance, New Delhi. Correct. And general insurance का मतलब क्या है? General insurance का मतलब क्या है?
Insurance is to cover the life of an individual or an object for which the policy or premium is being given. For example, if insurance is taken of a motorcycle, then an amount is given to the company, and in return, the company sees it, if it damages, or then company pays for this recovery, sir. I think.
You know, आपने थोड़ा you were struggling. समझ गया आपको? Could you understand?
Yes,
you are struggling. आपका
Yes,
क्वेश्चन जनरल इंश्योरेंस क्या पूछने से आपने बोलना है जनरल इंश्योरेंस विल इंक्लूड मेडिक्लेम इंश्योरेंस and fire insurance, burglary insurance, then other types of insurance like motor vehicle insurance, okay, flood insurance, like these are covered as general insurance. And Oriental Insurance Company issues policies collecting premium from the people, and the eventuality of the contingency happening, the claim will be settled by the insurance company. समझ गया? आप you unnecessarily you included life insurance इसमें नहीं आएगा. Life insurance is separate, for which the major company is LIC, and there are many other insurance companies, private insurance companies. But this Oriental General Insurance is one of the public sector. How many public sector general insurance companies are there?
4.
Yeah, very good. 4. What are the other 3?
The New India Insurance Company Limited, United India Company Limited, and there is another one, sir.
It is having headquarters in Kolkata. National Insurance.
National Insurance. Sorry
Yeah,
for this, sir.
4 companies are there. Good, very good. Acha, what is the relationship between engineers and insurance companies?
Like the fire insurance is happening, so sir, the engineer goes and evaluates the what the cost has been done, what damage has been done, and he pays that to the company what damages has been done, and accordingly the company pays to the customer.
The evaluation has to be done by the engineer. कुछ डैमेज हो गया तो उसका evaluation करने वाला mostly engineers होगा for properties. Similarly, कुछ प्रॉपर्टी को इंश्योरेंस करवाना तो उसको वैल्यूएशन करना तो वो भी कौन करेगा? ओनली सिविल इंजीनियर्स और आर्किटेक्ट्स विल डू. समझ गया? या दैट्स राइट. गुड. हाउ मच यू लाइक बैंकिंग? डू यू लाइक बैंकिंग और डू यू लाइक इंश्योरेंस?
I like banking, sir.
वेरी गुड. यू लाइक बैंकिंग. बैंकिंग का मतलब क्या है जी?
Banking is a simple place where lending and borrowing of money is done.
थोड़ा और भी एंजॉय करके बोल सकता है ना. इसको थोड़ा आपने सडनली कट कर दिया इसको. यू कुड हैव एक्सप्लेन स्टिल मोर. लाइक बैंकिंग का मतलब ये है टू एक्सेप्ट डिपॉजिट्स फ्रॉम द पब्लिक and to make advances to others who are in need of finance. ठीक है? And bank will be charging higher interest than what it pays on deposits, rate of interest. So bank will make some profit and it will adjust the establishment expenses, and the balances is the credit of for the bank. समझ गया? Can you try to tell me this? What is banking?
The banking is a process in which the company, in which the people or public deposits the money, and the bank lends this money to the other needful people for their useful purpose, and in that return, bank charges a higher interest, which is used for their salary and growth of the bank.
Good. Not bad. You covered this question nicely. Banking. Now you have come to UCO Bank. Where is the headquarters of UCO Bank?
Its headquarters is in Kolkata, West Bengal.
It is in West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Yeah. Are you willing to relocate yourself to Kolkata?
Yes, sir, it's a happening place. I will be willing to be joined here, sir.
Acha, you are willing to get posted even to Kolkata?
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. And supposing you are posted to South India?
There will be little problems, sir, of non-veg, but I will see that.
There will be problem of non-veg. language
Yes, sir,
and
language.
also food problem thoda hoga.
Yes.
Food फिर भी you will manage. अच्छा, do you know cooking?
Yes, a little bit of cooking, sir. Maggi, tea.
No, आपका मदर से सीख लीजिए कैसे खाना बनाना.
Okay, sir.
जरूर. And You tell in the insurance, I know cooking. I know how to make rice. I know how to make tarkari. I know how to make chapati. क्या क्या बनाना है और क्या होगा, ये सब बता दीजिए, ठीक है। रोज का खाना के लिए क्या चाहिए, खाली चावल, दो, आप लोग दही खाते हैं नहीं?
Yes, sir. Dahi, dal, sir. I heard dal.
दाल, दही दाल। एंड आप लोग मिष्टी दही खाएंगे और सादा दही खाएंगे?
Sir, misti doi, sir.
Mishti doi. Super. I like it very much.
Yes, sir.
You put
Tasty,
sugar
sir.
in that and take it. It's so tasty. I was in Kolkata. Sorry, Kolkata, Siliguri, Jalpaiguri and all. ये सब जगह थे खूब बालू दही पाबे. You will get very good. So I'm talking in Bengali. You will get
Yes,
very
yes.
good. You will get very good doi. ठीक है?
Yes,
Yeah, good. Civil engineer, bank. What do you think will be the role of civil engineer in bank? आप लोग का नौकरी दे दिया, मान लीजिए 100% आपको नौकरी मिल गया, आपको सिविल इंजीनियर बन के आपका क्या काम होगा?
the role of civil engineer in banking will be to evaluate the properties and buildings
Hmm,
and, and note the devaluation of properties, what is going on, sir,
hmm,
and respond accordingly to the bank, what is its value now, and accordingly the bank will see.
hmm.
That,
No, it is not correct. You have to tell like this. The role of a civil engineer will be to analyze the worthiness of the proposals relating to credit area, relating to civil engineering area. For example, setting up of a factory, building a construction, and for which the companies will be submitting their in pro forma. They will be submitting their pro forma, and it is for the engineer who is sitting in the desk of the credit counter to check up whether they are all genuine valuations or it has been done wrongly. आपका valuation of property करने के लिए तो that is the job of approved engineers, not yourself. आप लोग का काम नहीं होगा. There are approved engineers जिसको काम ये है, वो जो प्रॉपर्टी हम लोग सिक्योरिटी लेना चाहते हैं उसके लिए विजिट करेगा, मेजरमेंट करेगा, इसका बाद में वैल्यूएशन करेगा, उस वैल्यूएशन को बैंक को सबमिट करेगा. जो वो सबमिट कर रहा है उसको वेरीफाई करना आप लोग. समझ गया?
verify the proposal, sir.
Yeah, as part of the proposal you will verify the correctness of that one. समझ गया? Yeah, and mostly it is the civil approved engineers who will be making say supervision. Sometimes our own engineers may be sent to check up about the construction work that is going on. Okay, that also very rarely, not seriously. समझ गया? Also analyze from viability angle. For example, whether a construction is possible in that place, whether the land, the sand will take care of it or the earth will take care of it, whether it can withstand the pressure and all that. Sometimes technical analysis also आप लोग करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, sir.
Are you aware of the recent, say, a building was demolished recently, yesterday? Are you aware of that? In a big building, a big 12-story building has been demolished or crumbled down, and 100 people, they have been put inside that. आप इसका न्यूज सुना है नहीं सुना है?
Sir, I think in Maharashtra, sir.
नहीं. This one happened in America. This one happened yesterday in America. इसका बारे में आप पढ़ लीजिए. It is a construction. It is a construction of a building that was made in the year 1980. It seems from 1990, the construction was found to be defective. They were making some improvements, construction improvements and all that. In spite of it, it got destroyed. I am not getting that particular word. It was torn into pieces. 1 minute. What is the word that will come? USA building demolition study. I am not getting that particular word. Miami. This one happened in a place known as Miami, M-I-A-M-I. Yeah, M-I-A-M-I. That building, it demolished.
Unfortunately, this has been a tragedy. We do have 120 people now accounted for, which is very, very good news. But our unaccounted for number has gone up to 159. In addition, we can tragically report the death count is now 4. I want to be very clear about the numbers. They're very fluid. We'll continue to update you as we have them, but we have confirmed 4 deaths. The search and rescue team worked throughout the night.
Are you hearing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It was a very active from above and below. And we also brought heavy machinery onto the site to assist with the operation. And so we are very, very grateful that our president has now authorized FEMA support.
There are still people alive there.
We will continue search and rescue because we still have hope that we will find people alive. That is exactly why we're continuing. And that is why we're using our dogs and our sonar and our cameras, everything possible to seek places where they may still be.
See, actually, the word I was not getting is collapsed. The building collapsed. समझ गया? That particular word I was not getting. That is why I played that one. Here, what has happened is in Miami, in Florida, 12-story building has been demolished, and about 159 people are missing, and they have rescued more than 100 people, and 4 people have died. Reported died. The voice that you heard, I don't know whether you heard, was the voice of a mayor of that place. And she was thanking the president for giving powers to go about getting things done. Very good. Now tell me, what could have been the reason for collapsing of the building? You are a civil engineer. What are the various reasons on account of which collapse takes place of a building constructed 40 years ago?
The soil survey has done was not properly done, and actual bearing capacity of that soil was not known. So the building of high strength was built on that soil. So the soil could not take that strength, so the collapse occurred. Or some case, it might be an issue of the water table coming beneath the soil. Water table coming beneath the soil decreases the bearing capacity of soil. In result, the building must have lost its strength, and the building has been collapsed.
Good. Now, what you say is right. That it is, I hope as a civil engineer, you must be aware of the modern way of demolition of buildings. Can you explain something about that? you know,
Sir, detonators are placed below the buildings, sir.
Correct. How is it done?
This I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Acha, if you go and see in your YouTube, you will know that. YouTube में आप note कर लीजिए, USA versus Russia building demolition. USA versus Russia building demolition. Can I give a link? Yeah, I can give you a link here itself. Yeah, this is that link. Doesn't matter. That is something else. Now, you told me about the role you are going to play in the bank as a civil engineer, and what are the things you know about our UCO Bank?
UCO Bank was, sir, established in 1949, and it was nationalized in 1969. The symbol of UCO Bank is two people with closing their hands like this with blue color. That blue color shows honors your trust.
Hmm.
Sir,
No,
it
no.
has more than
Yeah, it has more than.
It has more than 3,000 branches and more than 2,500 ATMs across India.
Hmm.
It has 49 zonal offices, and its CMD is Mr. Atul Kumar Garg. Sorry, Goel, sir. Atul Kumar Goel, sir.
No, no. I think number of branches. I think you are not telling correctly. Correct.
So 4,557.
One minute. Yeah, the number of branches correct बोलते हैं आप?
4,500.
Excuse me. 1 minute. Kindly hold on. I made it. Sound is not coming here. अभी क्या problem हो गया? इसमें डालने से तो sound आ जाते हैं. The moment I put it, the videos are playing and sound is coming. So let me not open that. Let me close that and now open this one. Yeah, this sound. Otherwise, I'm not getting your sound at all. That's right. Okay. Are you aware of the number of branches? Are you telling correctly? Excuse me. Are you telling correctly number of branches? You don't know?
4,000.
No. What is the number of branches?
I remember, sir, around 4,000 branches across India, sir.
It must be more, Baba. इतना ही कम बोलते हैं आप. एक मिनट ठहरो ना. हम सर्च करते हैं. UCO Bank branches in India. UCO Bank branches. 1 minute, hold on. Totally, how many branches are there? I am not getting any idea. Because, the moment I play that one again, the song comes. Song ko khatam karo. Yeah, good. Now, home में देखने से home. 1 minute, hold on. Let me check it up. Because I don't want you to have a wrong. I don't want you to have a wrong figure in your mind. Hey, stop karo. Why are you going on singing? I liked that song. I liked that song initially. कभी आया है डिमांड ड्राफ्ट के रूप में, कभी अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट बनकर, सरकारी बैंक आई है आपके घर खुशियां लेकर, चाहे चेकबुक कैश विड्रॉवल या जीवन. Hello. I could not stop that. Then only I found out and I stopped it. Home, I am coming to home. Home में देखता है about us. About us देखता है. About us में फाउंडेड इन 1943. आपने क्या बोला? 43 बोला, 49 बोला?
49.
डिड यू से 43?
I said 49, sir.
हाँ, आपने गलती बोल दिया. We have more than 3,000 service units, service spread all over India. Only 3,000 लिखता है जी. Only 3,000. We have more than 3,000 service units. What are the? We are in the service community since 1943. We have more than 3,000 service units. We also operate two major international financial centers, namely Hong Kong and Singapore. We have correspondents all over the world. We undertake foreign exchange business in more than 50 centers in India. We have foreign exchange dealing operations at one center. Our strengths, what are the strengths of UCO Bank? Tell me. Excuse me, what is the strength of UCO Bank? No, you please keep it closer to your mouth. ऐसा रख दीजिए. हाँ, अभी आप बात कर लीजिए.
UCO Bank Center, it is going under profit and I think entry is available under it.
अच्छा, let me tell you, यहाँ पर उन लोग का साइट में दिया है, country wide presence is a strength, overseas presence, strong capital base, high proportion of long-term liabilities, a well-diversified asset portfolio, a large and diversified client base, all branches under core banking solution, branch representation in 100 centers in the country. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
These are the things. It is given in the website itself. I am not telling anything new. इधर में क्या दिया है इसका बारे में हम आपको बता रहे हैं. समझ गया? अच्छा, आपका किस बैंक में अकाउंट है? You have account in which bank?
Bank of India, sir.
Oh, very good. बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का हेडक्वार्टर्स किधर है?
New Delhi, sir.
Mumbai. It is in Mumbai. No problem. Doesn't matter. You may not answer that one correctly. Doesn't matter. Now, UCO Bank का chairman का नाम क्या है?
Atul Kumar Goyal, sir.
Very good. Excellent. अच्छा, आपका उत्तर प्रदेश में जोनल ऑफिस, डिविजनल ऑफिस कुछ है? आपका उत्तर प्रदेश में होगा मेरा ख्याल से. उसका बारे में देख लो जी. ठीक है, वेरीफाई कर लो. कुड यू फॉलो? हेलो, आई थिंक फ्रीज हो गया. आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? हेलो, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? एक्सक्यूज मी प्लीज. Now, Sumit, you speak. Now, Sumit, you speak. Now you speak.
Sir, the network problem, sir, occurred, sir.
Yeah, there was network problem. I know. Doesn't matter. Abhi ठीक हो गया.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
yeah, I was asking you about, yeah, now you want to come to UCO Bank. Why do you want to join UCO Bank? आपका पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
Sir, my father works in an insurance company.
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बताया. आप क्यों इंश्योरेंस कंपनी नहीं जाते?
Sir, Currently there are no vacancies available, so I didn't apply for that, sir. If came, I will apply for that as well, sir.
Very good, very good. So far you are not applied, but future you may apply. But supposing you get a job here, will you leave this job and go to some other insurance company in future?
No, sir, banks are, sir, backbone of our country. They are responsible for growth, and I see myself as a good career in this banking also. So I will not leave this job, sir.
Excellent. Good. Very good. Very good. How many siblings do you have?
Sir, one brother, sir.
Only one brother.
Yes, sir.
What is he doing?
Sir, he is also doing BTech, sir.
He is studying BTech.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What year?
Sir, he is in second year from NIT.
Yeah. Now, when they ask you, what is he doing? You better say second year, third year, like that. BTech. Because you say he is studying, one question. What is he studying? BTech. Third question, which year is he studying? Arey, why? Instead, your answer must be not one word based, two word based. It must be in sentences.
Okay, sir. Okay.
आपको डर ज्यादा होगा तो आपको बात ऐसा मपी एक वर्ड दो वर्ड में आएगा. ऐसा डरना नहीं है. यू हैव द एबिलिटी टू विन. इसलिए आप थोड़ा सेंटेंसेस बात करना है.
Okay, sir.
Will you prefer talking in English or Hindi? Both.
Sir, both, sir.
Both. Very good. Because in Kolkata, mostly they may talk in Hindi also. They may talk in Hindi because all of them know Hindi. And they are more comfortable in talking in Bengali or Hindi rather than English.
Okay, sir.
Because they are not that very comfortable in English. So वो लोग हिंदी में बात करेगा, आप आराम से आंसर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Very good. Can you tell me the names of companies, famous companies in India engaged in construction, civil engineering?
The major famous company is Larsen and Turbo, sir.
Okay.
L&T, sir.
Okay. That is one famous. Apart from that,
Sir, in Uttar Pradesh, the metro work is going, sir. One company is undertaking that project, which is sir, F1, sir, F1 India.
No. I am asking India-based civil engineering companies.
Sir, Tata Construction Limited, sir.
Top construction companies. I am giving you the link. I am giving you the link in the chat. Are you able to see my chat?
Yes, sir.
अभी दे दिया इसने. इसमें दिया. You got it. Yeah. इसमें दिया है 71 top construction companies. इसमें construction sector, construction companies. इसका बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ लो जी. बहुत कुछ है इसमें. You please go through this.
Okay, sir. I will go through it.
Yeah, you have to study this. First one is, as you said rightly, L&T.
Yes, sir.
Second one, Tata Project. Super. आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया. Third one, Shapurji, Palunji and Company Limited. Fourth, GMR. Fifth, Hindustan Construction. Sixth, Afghans Infrastructure. Seventh, JMC Projects. Eighth, Gammon India. Gammon India क्या? It's a private company ना? Government company. Private company.
Private company.
IVRCL Hyderabad. Last one, J Kumar Infra Mumbai. ये 10 मालूम होने से आपको हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir. I will remember that.
अभी आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, अरे भाई कितना मार्क लिया आपने सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में?
72%.
वेरी गुड, नॉट लेस 72%। इतना सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ने के बाद में आप क्यों बैंक में आते? उधर आपको नौकरी नहीं मिलता है?
Sir, actually, I applied for banking because there was a post of engineers who applied for it, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, you are not come for banking, you are come for engineering. Good.
Yes,
It's a good answer, good answer, good answer. Very good. But you can also say the number of job opportunities in the civil engineering sector is considerably low, taking
yes,
into
sir.
account the number of candidates available. ये तो सही बात है ना, ये तो
Yes, sir.
सही
ये
बात है,
fact.
तो सही बात है, समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, गाजियाबाद बोलते हैं आप, गाजियाबाद में आपको क्या मेट्रो ट्रेन सब चलता है? नहीं
Yes, sir.
चलता है?
The metro that from New Delhi is 26 kilometer away, so metro comes to Ghaziabad also. But
ओ, तब तो उसमें आने से तो गाजियाबाद से न्यू दिल्ली कोई रीच कर सकता है, विद इन 1 घंटा का अंदर में जा सकते हैं
yes, sir, smoothly, sir.
स्मूथली। अरे भाई, बहुत अच्छा, बढ़िया हो गया जी। आई नो दिल्ली ऑफ 1999, उसका बाद में हम तो नहीं जानते। 1999 में उधर था, उसमें उस समय पर तो कुछ नहीं था, बुलेट ट्रेन, अंडरग्राउंड ट्रेन, ये सब कुछ नहीं था। अभी तो ये सब आ गया। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा हुआ है आपको। वेयर डू यू स्टे? गाजियाबाद से आप दिल्ली में विच एरिया यू लाइक वेरी मच इन दिल्ली?
Delhi, sir, that South Delhi, sir, it is a properly developed area, sir. No garbage, no dust, no pollution is there. So I like that area very much.
No, name the place like Connaught Place और करोल बाग, किस प्लेस में आपको बहुत पसंद है?
Sir, the place is that the Hajj Khas, sir.
हाउसकास?
Yes, sir.
ओ, जहां हमने काम किया था मैनेजर,
So,
96 to 99, इंडियन बैंक करोल हाउसकास में काम किया है। देयर इज वन कॉर्पोरेशन बिल्डिंग जिसमें फर्स्ट फ्लोर में मेरा ब्रांच था, अभी किधर है पता नहीं। एंड हाउसकास में आपको फेमस पॉइंट्स है, आपको आईआईटी भी है,
yes,
इंडियन
sir, I
इंस्टीट्यूट
see that.
इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। एंड हाउसकास का पास में आपको मिलता है ग्रीन पार्क, वो भी बहुत
Yes,
बड़ा जगह है, वो भी बहुत बड़ा जगह है। अरे भाई, इतना कॉस्टली है उधर।
yes,
ऑल द
sir. Hajj Khas, costly.
साउथ दिल्ली इज वेरी कॉस्टली प्लेस। गुड गुड।
Yes,
So you can reach Hauskas from Ghaziabad in how many minutes?
sir. From Hajj Khas, sorry, sir, from Ghaziabad to main New Delhi, it takes roughly around 1 hour, and from New Delhi to Hajj Khas, it takes 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Oh, तब तो 1.5 घंटा हो जाएगा कम से कम।
Yes, sir. 1.5 घंटे में गाजियाबाद से हॉज तक पहुंच जाएंगे।
पहले आप बस में आने से भी इसी समय पर आ सकते हैं ना?
यस सर, बट सर पहले बस बहुत कम था, अब सर बस बहुत ज्यादा हो गया सर।
बहुत ज्यादा
टाइम
हो
ज्यादा।
या वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। अभी तो कोरोना चलता है, कोरोना की वजह से तो ट्रेन गाड़ी सब तो बहुत कम हो गया, अभी इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया ना क्या?
यस सर, मेट्रो अगेन स्टार्टेड सर।
Metro again started. Very good, very good. So you are willing to take up UCO Bank job as civil engineer. You are appointed, and you are willing to relocate yourself in any part of the country. I will post you to Bengaluru.
ओके सर।
ठीक है?
ओके सर।
What is Bengaluru?
सर बेंगलुरु इज द कैपिटल ऑफ द बेंगलुरु इज द आई थिंक सर दिस हाईटेक सिटी ऑफ इंडिया सर।
Silicon City of India. Silicon City of India.
सिलिकॉन सिटी ऑफ इंडिया।
हाँ. What do you know about Bengaluru? It's a headquarters of Karnataka.
कर्नाटका।
ये तो बोलना है ना?
यस सर, यस सर।
ये क्यों जनरल नॉलेज थोड़ा रिवाइज कर लो ना? हेलो, please get
Yes.
to know names of states names of governors, names of chief ministers, names of capital, then union ministers names, and also what is that, ministries. अच्छा, आपका उत्तर प्रदेश में आने वाला मिनिस्टर का नाम क्या है जी? यूनियन मिनिस्टर। क्वेश्चन समझ रहे हैं? उत्तर प्रदेश से आने वाला और वन हु इज देयर नाउ मिनिस्टर कौन कौन है?
Sir, one is Mr. Rajnath Singh, sir, Defense Minister.
Rajnath Singh is from your Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did you not mention about your Narendra Modi ji? He is also from Varanasi.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, और आगे जाओ. Who else? अच्छा, हम नाम्स बता रहे हैं, उसमें से कौन है आपका जगह बता दीजिए. स्मृति जुबिन ईरानी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From Amethi, sir.
She is from your place, Uttar Pradesh only.
Yes, sir. Amethi.
Yeah. Then इसका अलावा नाम तो I can't be sure. There are names like Gadkari is from your place. No.
I think from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Tomor, Narendra Singh Tomor.
From Haryana, sir.
Not from your place. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Not from your place.
Might be.
Might be. Acha. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Dr. Harshvardhan. Prakash Jab. Huh?
Dr. Harshvardhan, sir, studied in PSV in Kanpur, sir.
He is from Kanpur.
Yes, sir. He has studied his MBBS from PSV.
Graduation. Achha, achha. 1 minute. Let me check up union ministers from Uttar Pradesh. MPs. उत्तर प्रदेश का union ministers from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh MP list. I have the full list of Uttar Pradesh MP list. इसमें से names of ministers, union. Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma. Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, is he a minister? No. All other names are not coming, Baba. कोई बात नहीं, इस एंगल में भी आप तैयार हो जाओ. वो लोग पूछ सकते हैं जनरली टू मेक फन ऑफ यू एंड लाइक दैट. वेरी गुड. अच्छा, आपको ये नौकरी क्यों सेलेक्ट करना है? Why should we select you? How do you think you are more suitable for this post?
Sir, I'm suitable as sir, I'm self-confident guy. I'm very much disciplined, and I'm very clear in my perspective what I have, what the role, and I will do it properly, sir. I clear the, I cast the things, sir. So I'm suitable for this job, sir.
और भी थोड़ा और भी ज्यादा बोल सकते हैं. अच्छा, ये क्या ब्रॉडबैंड रखा है ना, आप सेल फोन से बात कर रहे हैं?
Yes, sir, cell phone, sir.
आपका घर में ब्रॉडबैंड नहीं है?
No, sir.
नो. ओहो, इसी वजह से तो प्रॉब्लम. इधर सिग्नल अच्छा नहीं होता है, इसी वजह से. डजंट मैटर, नो प्रॉब्लम. इसमें क्या बोलना है? व्हाई शुड बी सेलेक्ट यू? आपने ये बोलना है, आई एज यू राइटली सेड, I am a disciplined person. I am a hard-working person. I am creative in work. I will not give up any work entrusted to me without achieving it. I possess leadership styles. I also is a good player along with other members in a group. And I enjoy being of service to people, and इसी वजह से you can select me as an officer of the bank. आपको जो कुछ नौकरी काम हमको देते हैं उसको साथ साथ कंप्लीट करवा देंगे, फिर भी हमको नहीं जानने से भी किसी और से पूछ के उसको वर्क को लर्न करके उसको जरूर कंप्लीट करेंगे। ठीक है, एक कॉन्फिडेंस विथ विच यू स्पीक, दैट इज व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। अभी और एक बार बताइए, और एक बार बताइए, व्हाई शुड वी सेलेक्ट यू फॉर दिस जॉब?
Sir, I should be selected for this job because sir, I am a very disciplined guy. I take things very seriously and I quickly grasp the things. I work as a good team member and I have good leadership skills which can lead to the company's growth. These are my skills, so I should be selected in the bank.
गुड गुड। आपको ये मिनिस्टर का नाम सब जानना जरूरी है। पीयूष गोयल इज रेलवेज कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री मिनिस्टर, ये आपको जानना जरूरी है। प्रकाश जावड़ेकर एनवायरनमेंट, फॉरेस्ट, क्लाइमेट चेंज, इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, हेवी इंडस्ट्रीज एंड पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, हु इज ही? व्हिच मिनिस्टर इज ही?
Petroleum minister.
पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्टर। गुड, अच्छा बोला आपने। एंड यू शुड नो समथिंग अबाउट कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए कंस्ट्रक्शन कोई है? नितिन जयराम गडकरी, रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवेज, माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस। समझ गया? मिस्टर सुब्रमण्यम जयशंकर कौन है?
Sir, he is a foreign minister.
वेरी गुड। मिसेस निर्मला सीतारामन,
Finance minister.
very good. What is the Chief Justice of India's name? Mr. Ramanan, Ramana, N.V. Ramana. पहले तो शरद अरविंद बोबडे जी, वो तो चेंज हो गया, अभी रमना बोल के है, उसके बारे में सीख लो जी। और अटॉर्नी जनरल कौन है? अटॉर्नी जनरल के वेणुगोपाल, और सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता। इसका बारे में आपको जनरल नॉलेज में ये भी पूछ सकते हैं, आपको फार्मर स्ट्राइक का बारे में क्या जानते हैं?
Farmers are striking because of the three farmer laws which the Indian government has passed. They want that the three laws should be appealed. As these three laws, if came into action, then farmers will lose their land and the price, agriculture prices will not be given to them as they demanded. So they want the three laws should be appealed as quickly as possible.
बट आई थिंक उत्तर प्रदेश से ज्यादा लोग नहीं ना, ओनली पंजाब हरियाणा से ज्यादा लोग हैं, राजस्थान, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Can you tell me some good points about Uttar Pradesh? Why do you like Uttar Pradesh?
Uttar Pradesh is most happening place in the India as it has various cultural and diversified population.
Mm.
It has large heritage also like Agra, where the seven wonders of the world is situated. Sir.
Good.
It is also very New Delhi, so that's also it is very famous, and it is also famous for its our soul Ganges River which passes through Uttar Pradesh.
Mm. You can also mention about Varanasi. You can also mention about Kanpur, IIT Kanpur, something like that. जो कुछ आपका मन में आता है, लखनऊ, whatever important things that are there, उसका बारे में बता सकते हैं, ठीक है? Who are the famous people hailing from Uttar Pradesh? Famous people from Uttar Pradesh.
The famous people, sir, Firstly, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji,
Yeah.
and secondly, our Chief Minister, Honorable Mr. Adityanath Yogi ji,
Okay.
that is
Good.
famous. And if we see in cricket, Suresh Raina is also from Uttar Pradesh.
No, this Sonia Singh, Rahul, they are all supposed to be belonging to Uttar Pradesh. You know that because their place is Lucknow or Allahabad. Nehru family was supposed to be from that place. That is why from Rai Bareli, say some people stood, the Priyanka Gandhi, she stood and she could win, she could not win, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Priyanka Gandhi, yeah, doesn't matter. And talking about historians, talking about historical freedom fighters, किसी का नाम बताइए?
The freedom fighters are firstly Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai ji, and from Kanpur, Satkar Tutre. These are two famous, sir.
Then Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru,
Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru.
ये सब आपका ही जगह है. From Uttar Pradesh only. They are the famous people from that place. Good. Very good. See, in your Uttar Pradesh, there was a bank known as Allahabad Bank. जानते हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अब
Yes, sir.
अभी वो बैंक क्या हो गया?
It has been merged with the other banks, and now it is Indian Bank.
It is merged with which bank?
These banks, I do not know the name. I think, sir, UBC Bank, sir.
You don't know the name of the bank? Indian Bank.
No, Indian Bank, I remember, sir.
It has been merged with the Indian Bank.
Indian Bank.
And you know, Punjab National Bank, it took 3 banks. What are the names of those 3 banks? Oriental Bank, United Bank of India. Then what else? One more bank. Oriental Bank, United Bank of India. Correct. Andhra Bank का साथ में Corporation, Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank merged with Union Bank. Correct. इसका बारे में थोड़ा सीख लो जी. करंट ये सब क्यों आपको जानना है? Because you are interested in coming to banking. That is why. Okay. Very good. What do you know about core banking solution? Core banking solution is interlinking all the branches of the bank with the main server of the bank. सब ब्रांच में एक लिंक में आता है, so that if you have account with Ghaziabad, you can come and take money from Chennai in your own bank. समझ गया? Yeah. What is meant by ATM?
Automatic vending.
Huh? Hello?
Automatic teller machine.
Automated teller machine. Good, good. Right. Now, have you heard of the term white label ATM? सुना है? नहीं.
Yes, sir. सुना है, sir.
What is that? White label ATMs are not ATMs not run by banks, but by some other outside companies. समझ गया? But by private players, they are maintaining it. That is known as white label ATMs. Correct. आपको बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में अकाउंट है. Do you have internet banking? इंटरनेट बैंकिंग रखा है आपको? नहीं, नहीं रखा है. मोबाइल बैंकिंग, मोबाइल बैंकिंग, मोबाइल बैंकिंग रखा है. गुड गुड. डिजिटल बैंकिंग का बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं?
डिजिटल बैंकिंग का एक टेक्निक है जिसमें हम घर बैठे बैठे अपना मनी कहीं भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. जैसे एग्जांपल सर गूगल पे है, पेटीएम है. These are examples of digital banking.
what are the advantages of digital banking?
The digital banking advantage that in few seconds we can send lots of amounts to other people who we want without going to bank.
Wait, wait. No, the moment you come to this site, you know, this song comes. It is, that is the reason. You understand? Very good, very good. So what is doorstep banking? Doorstep banking is a facility now offered for people above 70 years. On registering with that service, the representative of the service company will call on you and give you cash up to 10,000 rupees and take money from you 10,000 rupees. Also arrange for giving you demand draft and other facilities on payment of fees of 75 rupees plus GST. समझ गया? Could you follow what I said? समझ गया? माने डोर स्टेप बैंकिंग का सर्विस ये है 70 साल का ऊपर में कस्टमर होने से वो अपना डोर स्टेप बैंकिंग कंपनी का साथ में रजिस्टर करने से उन लोग का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आएगा घर में आके जो कुछ सर्विस देना है वो करेगा. उसको कुछ लिमिट रखा है, उसका बीच में रखेगा. They will take check from you and give you cash. ठीक है? So this is known as doorstep banking service. आप 10 साल का बाद में कैसे सामान लेते हैं आपको इमेजिन कर लीजिए. हम आपको नौकरी दे दिया आपको. हंसो ना. Why are you so serious?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा हंसो. You must be smiling.
Yes, sir.
स्माइल करो. आराम से बैठो. स्माइल करो. एंजॉय. यू आर गिवन दिस जॉब. 10 साल का बाद में क्या होना चाहते हैं? 10 साल का बाद में शादी हो गया होगा, पिताजी हो गया होगा. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. ऑफिस में क्या होगा?
10 साल के बाद सर मैं एक अच्छी पोजीशन पे अपने आप को देखना चाहता हूँ जहाँ से मैं सर बैंकिंग कंपनी को लीड कर सकूँ सर, उसकी और ग्रोथ के लिए और खुद के लिए डेवलपमेंट और ग्रोथ के लिए.
सुपर. गुड. You told nicely. I see myself as at least senior manager of the bank and I must be able to guide many people properly. Good. Very nice. Best wishes. I've been talking to you for about an hour.
Yes,
what is your experience in this? You tell me your positive, you tell me your problematic areas. Where did you find it difficult to answer? And what suggestions you would like to take from me? Now, my suggestion is like this. Number one, you are not that much thorough with general banking. आपने सोच रहे हैं जनरल बैंकिंग जरूरत नहीं है, फिर भी आपको जरूर कुछ पूछेगा. आपको ये भी पूछेगा चेक का मतलब क्या है, डिमांड ड्राफ्ट का मतलब क्या है. आपको तो लिंक हमने भेजा नहीं भेजा? I gave you some links ना material.
कल जो दिया तो खुल नहीं रहा है सर. कल जो आपने दिया था सर
खुल रहा है नहीं? नो. एवरी वीडियो का अंदर में मिलता है जी. हर वीडियो का अंदर में 1 मिनट ठहरो. अभी खोलता है ना? अच्छा, इस काइंडली टेक दिस. ये ले लीजिए और आप अभी आपको आई मीन ईमेल में भी भेज रहा हूं. 1 मिनट ठहरो जी. बिल्कुल आता है जी, कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू ट्राई इट आउट, ओके। अभी आपको मिल, इफ इट इज नॉट ओपनिंग, सेंड मी अ मेल, आई विल सेंड यू ओनली 2 files. I want you to go through those files.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा, because no doubt civil engineer का काम दूसरा है, but you must know about banking also.
Okay, sir.
That is the reason. Okay. Thank you. और कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, कुछ डाउट है आपका?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन का बारे में आपने हम अभी तक पूछा नहीं, आपका सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में और भी क्वेश्चन होगा इसका। आपने तो wisdomjobs.com wisdomjobs.com में जाइए, हम दे दिए आपको। wisdomjobs.com में आपको जाके सिविल इंजीनियरिंग क्वेश्चन पूछने से तो मिल जाएगा, इसका बारे में प्रिपेयर कर दो जी। दे कैन आस्क यू अबाउट सीमेंट, हाउ इज सीमेंट मेड, आई डोंट नो, सो मेनी क्वेश्चन कैन बी मेड अबाउट say pillars being made, and आप पता नहीं क्या क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, इसका बारे में आप तैयार होना चाहिए, समझ गया? या नेक्स्ट, एनी अदर डाउट?
Yes, sir. Question, sir. What are the weaknesses, sir? What should I answer, sir?
या what are the weaknesses?
Yes, sir.
वीकनेसेस बोलने से आप आपको वीकनेस, मेरे फ्रॉम माय एंगल बोलने से तो हम बोलेगा आपको कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत कम है।
Yes, sir.
I can see it from my face to face से हमको पता हो जाता है, your confidence level is less, but ये तो आप बोलने नहीं सकते हैं, but you can say number one, I used to get worked up when things are not done properly by other members of the group where I am working, and I used to encourage them to do it, and if it is not done, I used to get anger, but I am aware of that, I am overcoming that. Okay, but they can again counter you by asking, that means if I post you to the branch and if branch people are not working, will you get tense? No sir, I am aware of that now, I will not get tensed year after. समझ गया? Like that you should say. Now, why are you having some fear in your mind now?
Actually, this is my first ever interview. That's why I'm little bit scared.
आपका कॉलेज में तो अटेंड किया होगा ना?
Yes, sir. But sir, this is like a job interview, so sir. That's mental pressure. Sir.
That was for civil engineering companies, correct?
Yes,
In
sir.
the college में इंटरव्यू क्या क्या था?
Yes, sir. That was for some civil engineering private companies. Sir, I तो उसके लिए दिया था.
Private companies, अच्छा. Now, please don't have fear. That fear has to be overcome by you. इसके लिए आप ज्यादा बात करना है, and you must be able to talk about general things, about civil engineering, about banking, about economics, about insurance, about government. देखो, without your knowledge, आपका इंटरव्यू इंश्योरेंस में स्टार्ट हो गया, क्या करेगा? किसी को पता नहीं किस में स्टार्ट होगा, समझ गया? So be ready for that, and your fear, your negative point is only like I used to get anger, you can say, and or you can say I was not mingling with people. I am aware of that. Now I am trying to mingle with everybody because I know banking means one has to talk to all people. समझ गया? Something like that. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Next. Any other doubt?
Last doubt, sir. Sir, I have passed in 2019 and it is 2021. So, sir,
No, no, it is not. It is not a long period because only 1 year has gone in between Corona.
Yes, sir. Yes,
In between Corona, no problem. Nobody will ask. That's why I'm telling you, you are a bacha. As far as interview में देखने से, you may be the youngest boy. You may be the youngest boy. और 2020 का बैच भी आया नहीं होगा मेरा ख्याल से, because उन लोग का रिजल्ट आया नहीं, आ गया ऐसा था उस समय पर. So don't worry, they will not ask this question of gap. जरूर नहीं पूछ सकते. Yeah. Or they can ask you what you are doing nowadays. Why are you not getting employed? Why do you want to stay only for bank job or government job? Likewise, some questions they can ask. And you can also say, my Pidaji is working in insurance companies. I really wanted to go for some public sector undertaking. That is why I'm applying like this. Then they can again counter you by telling, don't you know UCO Bank is going to be privatized?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you should say, okay, sir, even then I would like to join UCO Bank. No problem. समझ गया? But this is better than your ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and all, where they will take 2 people service and give you half a man's salary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So no problem. Next, any other doubt?
Sir, when after how much time I will again have to do interview, sir?
Pardon? No. Your interview rating wise, I will give you easily 8 to 8.5 out of 10. 8 to 8.5 out of 10. But this will not do. You must score more, 9 to 9.5. और भी confidence चाहिए. आपका किस तारीख इंटरव्यू है? 20 तारीख.
Yes, sir. 20 July, sir.
20 जुलाई. तब तो और एक बार मेरे साथ आ जाइए 16th और 17th तारीख में. After reading a lot about general knowledge, about banking, about construction, ये सब पढ़ने के बाद में you come and talk to me freely.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, again you may have to pay 100 rupees, but don't
Yes,
worry
sir.
about that. And you come to me so that we can talk once again. आपको confidence और भी बढ़ जाएगा. समझ
Okay,
गया?
sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, you see, you may think why I am asking about union ministers. Even that is relevant. They can ask you what is the name of the governor of Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
What is the name?
Anandiben Patel.
Ah, good. She is also governor for which state?
Madhya Pradesh, sir.
Very good. So likewise, you must be able to talk comfortably. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Best
Okay, sir.
wishes.
Okay.
अच्छा, you are having lot of fear. आपका आंख में इतना fear देख रहा हूँ. नहीं होना चाहिए. Believe me. Look at my eyes. Don't have any fear. I am here to help you. You will succeed. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.